In this lecture, I am going to solve this circuit by using KVL. Here in this circuit, there are two loops, loop 1 and loop 2. We are taking the clockwise directions. In this circuit, these are called the circuit elements, the resistance and the battery. In this battery, the longer side we take positive and the short side we take negative. So if we apply KVL in this loop, then we can take this is 5 ohm, and let's assume I1 flows through this circuit and I2 flows through this loop, so through the 5 ohm I1 flows, then 5 I1, then in the 30 ohm we can see I1 and I2 both are flowing. Then when we are in the first loop, then we can take I1 minus I2, because in this 30 ohm resistance both I1 and I2 are flowing, so we have to take I1 as positive. Then the resistance 3 ohm, and we can see that the current enters through the negative side, so we have to take it as minus 10, then 0. So 38 I1 minus 30 I2 is equal to 10, and we can apply KVL in loop 2. We can see here there is no battery, so the I2 flows through 60 ohm and 30 ohm, and again if we see I2 flows through loop 2, here we have to take I2 as positive and I1 as negative. So by applying KVL, 60 I2 plus 30 I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. Then 90 I2 is equal to 30 I1, or I1 is equal to 3 I2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If we put the value of I1 in the equation 1, then one 114 minus 30, 84 is equal to, for I2 is equal to 10, for I2 is equal to 5 by 42. Then I1 is equal to 3 into 5 by 42 is equal to 3 by 14. So here we can find I1 is equal to 5 by 14 ampere and I2 is equal to 5 by 42 ampere. That's it.